Welcome to Exam Sale. In this script we will explain the syllabus for the HP, Designing HPE Hybrid IT Solutions exam so you know what to study and how the domains are weighted. This exam has 6 domains with exact weights and focuses you must know. Recommend and demonstrate HPE Hybrid IT Solutions is 38% and focuses on product portfolio and solution value. Architect and design an HPE Hybrid IT Solution is 22% and focuses on solution design and sizing. Describe, differentiate, and apply industry. Standard technologies and architectures is 12% and focuses on foundational infrastructure technologies. Gather and analyze customer business and technical requirements is 12% and focuses on requirement discovery and assessment. Install, configure, and set up HPE Hybrid IT Solutions is 10% and focuses on implementation and deployment, and maintain, monitor, and troubleshoot HPE Hybrid IT Solutions is 6% and focuses on operational lifecycle management. Domain 1 is recommend and demonstrate HPE Hybrid IT Solutions, weighted 38%, focus product portfolio and solution value, difficulty hard, with estimated learning time 25 hours and assessment type conceptual plus scenario based. You will learn the HPE Compute Portfolio, from ProLint Gen 10 rack and tower servers to Synergy composable infrastructure and Apollo high-density systems, and when to use Superdome Flex. The syllabus covers HPE storage including Primera, 3PAR, Nimble adaptive flash arrays, MSA entry-level storage and store once backup targets, plus software-defined storage options. You will also master HPE hyperconverged solutions like SimplyVD and NimbleDC, and HPE management and orchestration tools such as OneView, InfoSight, IL05, licensing differences and GreenLake consumption models. Domain 2 is Architect and Design an HPE Hybrid IT Solution, weighted 22%, focus solution design and sizing, difficulty hard, with estimated learning time 18 hours and assessment type scenario based. This domain teaches hardware and solution sizing using HPE OneConfig Advanced, Ninja Stars and storage sizers, and validation with SPOC to ensure compatibility. You will learn to plan power and cooling using HPE Power Advisor and to determine connectivity modules for Synergy and Blade system. Networking design is covered too, including HPE Flex Fabric, Aruba top-of-rack switching, selecting 10.25.40. 100 GBE transceivers and cabling, and planning fiber channel and ISCSI fabrics with virtual connect abstraction. Domain 3 is describe, differentiate, and apply industry standard technologies and architectures, weighted 12%, focus foundational infrastructure technologies, difficulty medium, with estimated learning time 10 hours and assessment type conceptual plus scenario based. You will compare hypervisors such as VMware vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V and KVM, and understand container orchestration concepts including Kubernetes and SDN fundamentals. The domain explains how virtualization affects hardware sizing and covers high availability and disaster recovery requirements. It also covers data center standards and protocols such as RAID levels, NVMe and SCM benefits, SAN protocols including FCOA, FC and ISCSI, RESTful API integration and UEFI secure boot standards. Domain 4 is gather and analyze customer business and technical requirements, weighted 12%, focus requirement discovery and assessment, difficulty medium, with estimated learning time 8 hours and assessment type scenario based. You will learn business requirement discovery techniques to identify customer pain points and business drivers and to determine RTO and RPO targets. The syllabus includes cost analysis skills to evaluate TCO and ROI and how to assess compliance and data locality requirements while translating business goals into technical specs. You will also use technical assessment tools such as HPE Cloud Physics and Landmark, analyze workload characteristics like IOPS, throughput and latency, and interpret reports to identify bottlenecks and gaps. Domain 5 is install, configure, and set up HPE Hybrid IT Solutions, weighted 10%, focus implementation and deployment, difficulty medium, with estimated learning time 12 hours and assessment type hands-on plus conceptual. Candidates will practice provisioning using HPE Intelligent Provisioning, firmware management with Service Pack for ProLint and remote deployments with Smart Update Manager. The domain covers setting up HPE OneView, discovering managed resources, and configuring storage pools and volumes on Nimble and Primera arrays. You will also learn initial system setup tasks like configuring ILO management, Synergy frame link modules and composers, initializing hyperconverged clusters, establishing BIOS and security baselines, and integrating networks with VLAN tagging. Domain 6 is maintain, monitor, and troubleshoot HPE hybrid IT solutions, weighted 6%, focus operational life cycle management, difficulty medium, with estimated learning time 6 hours and assessment type hands-on plus conceptual. This section teaches operational monitoring using HPE InfoSight dashboards, configuring SNMP and SMTP alerts in one view, analyzing logs with the Active Health System Viewer, and planning non-disruptive firmware and software updates. You will learn license and support subscription management and troubleshooting methodologies to identify hardware failures with Insight Diagnostics, resolve virtual connect fabric and storage pathing issues, use ILO remote console for out-of-band work, and perform appliance recovery procedures. In conclusion, this exam requires focused study across portfolio knowledge, design and sizing, foundational technologies, requirements gathering, hands-on deployment and operational management. Use the domain weights, difficulty levels and estimated learning hours provided to plan your study schedule and practice the scenario-based assessments to build confidence.